Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to trade the Wall Street close. It's the rush hour trade time now. Welcome, all of you. I truly appreciate you joining me. So, let's speak about what happened in the market today. There was a big day. There was NFP. Uh, so, since there was NFP, I need to lower the bank rate, but anyway. So today there was NFP. Let's quickly go through it for the next 5 minutes to 10 minutes. As I've said before, I'm still waiting for my retracement on my potential trade that I'm looking for. And I think I'm gonna hold it, I'm gonna hang in there patiently. I love that support held, pushed to the upside. Remember what I said before. I said the area of my interest here, and I love how the reaction in the market right now. This will be the area of my interest to look for shorts. So I will be holding on patiently here, looking for a potential trade here. And then USDCHF as well, USDCAD as well. We are still getting a continuation to the downside. It looks like it wants to break below and hold that support to look for continuation to the upside. I mean, to the downside. Other than that, my post NFP comment coming along, I hate this. I hate this. Can I tell you something? I've been holding on to this trade for a while. The day I decide to close this trade, look where it is. I hate this. I definitely hate this. I don't like it. And then the other trade that I'm still holding, it looks like it's moving lower. It's not looking good. But here's my NFP post NFP comment. Let's get into it, man. Let's go to the microeconomics and show you my post NFP comment. What do I think? What happened, man? If you didn't watch today's post that I made about my forecast of the NFP, here it is. Ladies and gentlemen, good news. Breaking news is NFP came stronger than expected. Look at that number. The forecast was 111. We got 147K. We got 147K. That was a huge hot jobs data. Does this save the day? Does this delay? So according to me, this will delay. It has potential of delaying the rate cuts, tariffs, and I think one of those things that Powell was looking into was the jobs data. So jobs data today came very strong. I personally was not expecting such a strong data, given what happened yesterday with the ADP data. ADP data came out very extremely bad yesterday, and then I was like, we are likely gonna get very cool jobs data, but it looks like we've very got a good jobs data in terms of the labor market. So that for me, it's telling me that the labor market it's a bit solid, it's a bit stable. So with this stability in the labor market, and then Powell has the power to still say the labor market is stable. Unemployment rate went down by another came down by another 0.2%. Now it came out as 4.1%. That's unemployment rate. I mean, very stable. Before we had 4.2 at some point, we came back to this 4.1 for March. We came back to that 4.1, which is very stable, solid jobs data. So overall, just jobs data is very stable. That might delay the rate cuts in this instance. So just to close it off, um, that should close it off in the tops, in the top trade that I'm looking for. Let's go to the top setups. Let's go to the top setup. I always hate when the top setup. Okay. In the top setup, USDCHF still bearish, even though NFP, where is NFP? Yeah. Unemployment rate came out very strong. Retail sale was strong, and interest rate is not looking good for USDCHF. We are bearish there against all the yen thing. And then again, USD CAD is still bearish. But what did we change? We changed Euro USD. It's been one of the highest, but now we've changed Euro USD. We came out lower now, but it's still bullish, but it's lost a bit of bullishness. Euro AUD is still bullish. NZD is still very strongly bullish. I don't know why I went out of that trade. I hate the fact that I went out of that trade. And NZD, NASDAQ is still very bullish. But just quickly, let's go through the technicals. The technicals. So I think on the technical side, I think it is lining up for a short on USD CAD. So if it comes back to this resistant area, I will look to enter. I will look to enter USD CAD. While Euro USD, I'm still waiting for a retracement. I am still waiting for I am still waiting for a retracement lower to hold that support on Euro USD. And then the other one, the reason I didn't take it, the British pound is not doing as good compared to the European to the euro. So therefore, we saw the break to the upside. I'm looking to enter as we come back to this support. If not, then I am not going to take Euro USD. I mean British Pound USD. USD CAD also. It still looks like we are still getting that continuation to the downside and the reaction. So before I speak about this reaction, let's go to NASDAQ. Let's go to NASDAQ. So NASDAQ did love the jobs data. NASDAQ today did love the jobs data. From the time until now, Nasdaq it's up 0.86%, while Dow Jones is up 0.68%, and S&P 500 up 0.7%, and right now it's 7:30 p.m. South African time. So saying that alone, it shows that the jobs data. I mean Nasdaq did have a very good feeling on the jobs data, while gold is down 0.5% after NFP today. And then this is me, this is how my understanding is. The reason why the jobs market, NASDAQ or the indices loved the jobs data is purely because of the jobs data still says there will still be consumer spending. We are far from recession because jobs data is there. Remember, jobs data it's a good indicator of saying how many people are out there to spend. So employees are the most likely people that are spenders. So consumer spending will still be there. There's still good jobs still being stable. So we are very far from recession. I don't know how I'm feeling, but we are very far from from recession. So with that being said, this is my NFP post reaction. NFP came out very good. I did love the NFP number in terms of keeping the market stable, and then that's why we saw Nasdaq pushing to the upside. Other than that, thank you so much, guys, man. I love you all, man. Truly appreciate all of you. I do love the fact that we are still stable in the economy, in the labor data, and the stability in the labor data, meaning there's still stability in the market. We are still bearish for the dollar. It doesn't change much, but it keeps the stability in the market than getting a very bad NFP number. A very bad NFP number was gonna scare the market dismal. Even though I didn't expect such a good number, I expected the same or something quite lower after ATP yesterday. So other than that, thank you so much, guys. I love you all. Have a great day. Peace.